So the Mi Note 10 Pro has been leaked, and we have every leaked image of Mi Note 10 Pro 5G. And this phone is also rumored to officially release on 11th February according to leaked poster. You can have a look, not confirmed if it is real or fake, but this poster is actually showcasing the 100% confirmed design of Mi Note 10 Pro 5G variant. And here we have these leaked images which are showing both front and rear sides of phone. So the leaked images on Weibo shows that this phone will have punch hole camera design on top left corner at front side. This looks like same as Huawei's Nova 6 SE. But this phone has a bit larger display, and this display is going to be an OLED display with 6.5 inches of screen size. Rumored also says that both Pro and non-Pro variants will be equipping the 90Hz refresh rate. That's also crazy thing. If price will be below than 900 or 1000 US dollars, then obviously this 90Hz is enough. But above than $1000 for 90Hz, it isn't enough. Now at the back side we have a strip with quad camera setup placed right on it, and this rear side is fully same as Mi Mix Alpha, Xiaomi's concept phone with wrap screen, but here we don't have a wrap screen. It is made of, I think, plastic or a glass, but there are chances for the glass. And the leaked poster also shows 108 megapixel word written below the cameras in really small size. So we will have a 108 megapixel primary lens with 48 megapixel or maybe 20 megapixel secondary lens, but this will be an ultra wide angle lens. Not sure about this second lens, but first one is 100% confirmed that it is 108 megapixel lens, and third one will be 12 megapixel, which is a telephoto lens, and fourth is a 8 megapixel depth sensor, and this telescope lens can go all the way up to 10x optical zoom. Below this sensor we have the LED flashlight, so this setup looks like same the Mi Note 10 that was recently released by Xiaomi. And at the bottom we have Type-C charging port with a speaker, and on the top side this could be another speaker as well. So we will have a dual speakers on this Mi Note 10 Pro 5G variant, and volume and power buttons are located at the right side. And now talking about the battery specs, then we would have a massive 4500 milliamps of battery with really ultra fast charging support of 65 watts, and this is now 101% confirmed because we also have the leaked images of charging adapter as well. The Xiaomi Mi 10 will come in either 8GB RAM with 128 gigs of internal and 8GB RAM with 256GB of internal storage, or 12GB of RAM with 256 gigs of internal storage. The Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro will come in 12GB plus 128GB variant priced at 3799 Chinese yuan, that is almost 550 US dollars, and the 12 gigs plus 256 gigs variant will be priced at 4099 Chinese yuan, that is almost 590 US dollars, and the last one, that is 12 gigs with 512 gigs internal, is priced at 4400 Chinese yuan, that is almost 650 US dollars. Now this is not the official price, it is the rumored and expected price, so don't take it seriously. This could go up to $1000. Every specs that I have talked about in this video is actually rumored, but there are chances for these specs to get official. Well, this device is going to be crazy. It looks beautiful in leaked images. Design is very flawless. So before the launch event, in case if I get more news and more leaks, I will let you know guys. Till that, stay tuned and I'll see you guys in the next one.